Hi students of class 2. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, page number 23. Output devices today we will explain. So everyone, get ready for the class. Take a pencil in your hand. Open the book. Let us start the class. Output devices. What are output devices? The output devices are used to display the result after processing in the CPU. Commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. So the output devices are basically used to display the result after the input is processed in the CPU. Now, the first output device is monitor. Monitor is also called VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. The result is seen in the form of images in the monitor screen. Printer. Printer is used to give the result on paper. The printed work is called as hard copy or printout. There are some other output devices too. So, monitor and printer are the most commonly used output devices. The printer is used to give the printout on paper. The printed work is also called hard copy or printout. Speaker. Speaker is the output device which is used to hear the sound played by the computer. This is the speaker. It is used to hear the sound played by a computer. It can be found inside the CPU box or it can be kept outside also. Sometimes same device can work both as input and output device. So, such a device is called a touch screen. Using the touch screen, we can both give the input to the computer as well as take the output from the computer. So, touch screen is both an input and output device. We can touch the screen. The screen we can touch to give the input to it, and the final result is also displayed in the same screen. These are all the output device we have talked about, that are monitor, printer, speaker and touch screen. Storage device. Now, storage device also sometimes acts as an output device. Sometimes when we don't want to display the result on the output device, we can store it on the storage device. This can be used later whenever we want. So, storage device acts as an output device when we don't want to display the result after processing on the output device, and that time we can store it on the storage device for later use. Turn the page. Now, some storage devices are pen drive, hard disk, CD. These are the very commonly used storage device. We can read about them in the previous classes also. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Pen drive and CD are used to carry the data from one place to another. Pen drive and CD are used to carry the data from one place to another. So today I have explained to you the chapter 3 last portion, the output device and storage device. So, today's homework will be to read page number 23 and 24. Along with that, the first portion also, that is page 20. That is page 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay. So, see you on the next class. Bye-bye.